Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be my 8th month check-in for my update on my microloc journey. As you can see, this is also going to be a little style too, just some styles that over the past few months I've gravitated towards because they were easy. Before we get into the video, I would love if all of you can go ahead and click down below on the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bells just so you know anytime I do post a video. Now, just a quick update, my anniversary of me being 8th month lock was actually on the 17th. It was last week, so I know I'm behind. I did actually get a fresh retie on the 12th, so that was almost 2 weeks ago at this point. My retie is still fresh. And honestly guys, I do prefer my hair when it's like 2 to 3 weeks post retie, because I feel like when my hair is freshly retied, it just looks too scalpy for the amount of thickness that I have, so it kind of looks like a wig. Okay, so as far as the update, nothing new from last month. If you haven't watched my journey from the beginning till now, I know I did miss about months like 2 to 5 or 6, only because I had them, but then like I had to get rid of them because it just wasn't working. Camera issues, lighting issues, just a whole bunch of issues, so I got rid of them. But as far as my hair currently right now, as far as my wash routine, still washing only once every 6 weeks, although I told you guys in my last video I think I was going to increase it, so I did start washing twice a month. So I do wash my hair every 3 weeks currently. I don't have any itching or dryness, although, okay, let me take back that statement, I do have some dryness. I do have a little bit of dryness right now, I think because it's just been so cold here in central Pennsylvania that my hair is just not used to the weather, because I do go outside every day to the gym. My apartment complex has a gym, and I'm out there at 6 a.m. every morning, and it's brutal. I'm only outside for a little bit of time, but I really think that the air and the climate and the, you know, the dryness in the air is really making my scalp dry. So I have been experiencing a little bit of dryness, but I have been using a little bit of growth drops in my hair, massaging it in real quick, maybe only like 4 or 5 drops, nothing too crazy. As far as locking my hair, I would say is about 70% locked. There are locks in my head right now that are basically locked from the top all the way down to almost like the curly ends, and I feel like my ends, honestly guys, aren't really going to lock just based on my hair texture. I have a really fine hair texture in itself, so the ends where my hair color was brown before is taking a super long time to lock. I know I'm not even at my 1 year mark locking yet, but I can just tell by the way that I have to keep like retwisting some of my little baby ends that my hair is just taking forever to lock on the end. So we'll see what I look like at a year mark. I would say for my length, my hair is growing a lot. Let me see if I can angle the camera for you. So my hair is growing a lot. I should have got a measuring tape out, but I usually just pull these little pieces in the back of my hair just to gauge how far it is. And right here is my collarbone. So I want to say I have, last time I measured, about a good between 12 and 14 inches of hair all around my head. That's about it. There's nothing new going on with my hair. I haven't lost any locks yet. Thank goodness. I don't plan on losing any locks, but my lock journey's been pretty solid. I still work out twice a day, so I'm constantly sweating in it. I haven't experienced any slipping anymore due to my hair being kind of wet when I'm working out. But is my camera crooked again? Y'all don't ever be telling me nothing. If you do love this video, which I hope you do, please go ahead and just give me a thumbs up down below. Leave me any comments that you may have, anything you want to ask me about my hair journey so far, any products I use, if you have any suggestions on what type of videos you would like for me to do with my hair. Comment down below which hairstyle you enjoyed the most. I really did think this was a fun video. I try to make it as quick as possible. I do love you guys. Until I see you at my next update or my next video in general, I hope you guys have a blessed, beautiful week.